All right, I'm out on the local trails today, early December. The weather is just beautiful. It's hero dirt out here today. Breaking in my new boots and just riding some flow, having some fun.
Today I want to talk about trail maintenance, trail etiquette, and the importance of joining your local club. Most of the places I'm riding are on public land and it's free to ride there, but it's still really important to support the clubs that maintain and build these trails.
Dirt is so perfect today. We're so lucky to have such great trails to ride here in the Pacific Northwest. Really appreciate everyone that comes out and helps maintain these trails, clear trees. A lot of dedicated volunteers. So it was good to take some time and give back to the sport. Join your club, participate in trail days, or even go out on your own, cut trail, clear trail. So I'm riding with new boots today. First day, I'm wearing CD Crossfire 3 with the TA, that's the non-replaceable sole. I've had a few pairs of CDs now. They're really good boots. My first pair of Crossfire 3s. My last pair of boots was Crossfire 2 with the SRS replaceable soles. The boots are a bit narrower, and the soles I found just wore out way too fast.
So why should you buy a club membership? Well, some of that money is going to go to tools to maintain the trails. We're talking about chainsaws, shovels, picks, stuff like that. There's also materials needed to build and repair bridges. A lot of riding areas also have staging areas and washroom facilities that need to be maintained.
Okay, time for a little rant here and talk about trail etiquette. Right here, we've got this little rock feature on this trail. And again, someone's made a line around that rock feature that isn't even that hard. So here in the Pacific Northwest, we call this trail braiding, and it's not allowed. We can't be just making routes around every obstacle. So taking some time, block this. Again, I blocked this I think last year. So hopefully they get the message this time. But it's a little frustrating for people who do maintain trails to have to spend their time doing unnecessary things rather than fixing what really needs to be done.
Rules are going to vary depending on where you live, but here in the rainforest of the Pacific Northwest, trail braiding is not allowed. So trail braid is when you go around an obstacle because it's too hard or there's a tree obstructing the trail, so you make a new route around it. The area I'm riding today, we pretty much clear something every time we ride it. It's amazing how much you can get done even with just a simple handsaw. One more very important thing to consider is a lot of trail networks rely on government funding to keep going. Now your membership numbers are going to reflect how much funding you're going to get from the government. If your local dirt bike club has 200 members and the local mountain bike club has 1,000, you can guess who's going to get more funding and more pull when it comes to land use.